Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to find the best niche for YouTube automation. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into: finding the perfect niche for YouTube automation using ChatGPT. If you're looking to start a channel without showing your face and want to leverage the power of automation, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to explore niche, choose a niche, select a platform, create a title and script, and even use InVideo's text-to-video feature for content creation. So let's start on exploring niche options using ChatGPT. We're using ChatGPT to choose a YouTube niche because it's an incredible, helpful AI tool that can provide creative ideas and insights. When it comes to selecting a niche, it's essential to find one that aligns with your interests and has potential for success. ChatGPT can generate niche suggestions based on current trends and your preferences. So this will help you make an informed decision as it considers various options and factors. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you can save time and ensure that you're entering a niche that's not only appealing to you, but also holds the promise of growth and engagement. In short, using ChatGPT streamlines the niche selection process, making it easier and more efficient to find the perfect fit for your YouTube channel. So let's ask ChatGPT in here to find you the best options for niche for YouTube automation. So you'll just need to type in onto the search bar in here, and then let's see what ChatGPT suggests. So we have here gaming, beauty and makeup, travel and adventure, fitness and health, cooking, technology, fashion, comedy, educational, vlogs, DIY, music, books, personal development, parenting and family, pet care, lifestyle, sports, tech tutorials, and language learnings. Now that we have a range of niche ideas, let's narrow them down, weigh the pros and cons of each suggestions, and find the one that stands out due to its trendiness and growth potential. So find the niche that has gained a lot of traction lately, making it an ideal choice for an automation. So we've asked ChatGPT onto what would sell the most, and it gives us 10 options in here. So what we'll need to do in here is we'll narrow it down further, and we'll ask ChatGPT to list us the top 3. So let's wait for ChatGPT to generate it. And as you can see, we have your gaming, beauty and makeup, and cooking and foods. Now the next thing that we'll do is to choose a niche that you like and are interested in, because this is really important to make your YouTube journey more enjoyable and successful. So when you're passionate about the topic, creating video becomes fun rather than a chore. You'll be excited to share your knowledge and connect with viewers who share your interests. Also, when you enjoy what you're doing, your energy and enthusiasm show in your videos, making them more engaging for your audience. Plus, you'll be motivated to keep going even when challenges arise. So picking a niche you love is like having a good time while building your channel and connecting with people who appreciate what you're doing. Now, the next thing that we'll do in here is let's pretend that gaming is what you're into. So let's choose gaming in here, and we'll ask ChatGPT what YouTube topics can we do with gaming, so that you'll have an idea or options to choose from on what we're gonna do next. Now, right after clicking send, ChatGPT will generate some ideas for you, and you're just gonna repeat the process earlier onto choosing which one do you prefer. So onto my part in here, I think I prefer creating tutorials. So let's choose that one, and then we'll ask GPT which games are popular right now so that we can make content for it, or we can make tutorials for it. ChatGPT can help generate popular games right now by using the information it's learned from a vast range of sources. It gathers data from the internet about what games people are talking about, playing, and searching for. Then, when you ask ChatGPT for suggestions, it uses this gathered knowledge to suggest games that are currently trending and getting a lot of attention. It's like having a friend who knows what's cool and popular in the gaming world right now. By using ChatGPT, you can get ideas for games that people are excited about, which can be super helpful when you're deciding what to focus on for your YouTube channel. But if you have a specific game in mind already, so you could choose that one. So I can see in here, onto the second part, we have Minecraft. So I personally know how to play Minecraft, so we could choose this one to make content for. The ever popular Minecraft is an excellent choice since its expansive world and passionate community offers endless content possibilities. So, right now, it's time to start planning your videos. An attention grabbing title and script are crucial for success. So, we can turn to ChatGPT for help into this one. So, you just need to type it in here. Can you create a script and a title so that it would help you create a captivating title and an introduction script for our first video? And as you can see in here, in less than a minute, ChatGPT already created a perfect title for your first YouTube video and also the scripts and what are the things needed to be done to complete your first YouTube automation video. So as you can see in here, ChatGPT generated a guide-like script. So for this one, you can add in the script by yourself or you can turn into ChatGPT and ask it to add in your script. But since this is just for a tutorial video, so we're just gonna skip that one. But you can further use ChatGPT's features to unlock its full potential. And since we have your script ready, let's turn it into a video. So there are different popular websites that we can use in here, so you can research for this. But for this specific video or tutorial, we're gonna be using InVideo. InVideo is a really handy tool that helps turn your ideas into videos easily. It's like a creative helper for your videos. You can use it to add text, images, and even music to your content. The cool thing is that it can take the script you made and magically turn it into the video. You just put it in your words, and InVideo adds visuals and make it look super professional. So this is awesome because you don't need to worry about being a video expert. You can focus on making great content, and InVideo takes care of making it look amazing. It's like having a video making friend who knows how to make everything look awesome. So let me show you how it works by creating a video using the script we made earlier with ChatGPT. So you'll just need to sign up in here. So add in your name, email, and password, and then create an account. So you'll be headed to the dashboard and you'll have different options in here to choose from. So you have templates, AI text to video, stock media, and editor. But for this specific video, we'll use this one, the AI text to video. Then right after, it will ask you to choose a template. So you'll need to select a template that suits your video style and purpose. InVideo offers a wide range of templates for various types of video. So you'll just need to click on Use Template right after. And then the next part is to add in your script. In the video editor, you'll find a text box where you can add your script, copy and paste a script you generated earlier using ChatGPT. You can customize it as per your liking. So you can customize the text, add visuals, arrange the elements, apply transitions, add background music, and right after, before finalizing, review your video to see how it looks and make any necessary edits to ensure everything flows well. And lastly, once you're satisfied with your video, just click on the export button. InVideo will process your video and you can choose the desired quality and format for export. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps of finding the perfect niche for YouTube automation. Thank you very much for tuning in today. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more content. And until then, stay creative and I'll see you in the next video.